I can say that loving you is easy. I don't.
Hey guys, it's Cassie.
It's Richie.
It is fall. Happy fall to you guys. And you know, it may be fall right now in Vancouver, but it doesn't feel like it, and it's really weird.
It's 20 degrees today.
Which is what in Fahrenheit?
Ooh, I don't know.
I'll put it right here. That is a rare occurrence in Vancouver in October. So I was driving with a tank top on, windows down, you know, not complaining. Anyways.
Today we're going to be sharing with you guys our top 10 fall pieces that we wear a lot during the fall.
Yeah, like our top 10 fall essentials. Most likely not gonna mention, you know, leather jackets, because that's a little redundant and basic.
What we've been loving recently.
Yeah.
And before we get started, don't forget to subscribe. If you guys like our stuff, subscribe, please.
Okay, we're gonna be starting off with denim jackets. So this, I totally forgot about it. So my friend thrifted this a while back and he gave it to me because it was too big on him, so I just took it. But look how perfectly it matches. Well, it's not too perfect.
Same.
I mean, kind of. This is definitely a warmer tone than my hair, but still, I think it looks really, really cool with my hair. And it's a great fall piece because it's big and oversized. So if you're looking for a denim jacket, definitely try and find one that's like larger because you can layer it with like a hoodie or something like that. But yeah, I just really am digging it with my hair.
Looks good.
Thanks.
Yeah, this is my favorite since I got it. It's this long denim coat with a Sherpa lining inside for extra warmth. Because you know, sometimes denim can get pretty cold if you don't know how to layer. But this keeps you really warm. And it's long, so you get that extra warmth, you know?
Feel all comfy cozy.
Yeah.
This is from Oakenfort, right?
Yeah.
I don't know what brand this jacket is. I think it was like a brand made in the 90s that doesn't exist anymore. But I'm never letting this jacket go.
Yeah.
I love it. So next we're gonna move on to blazers because blazers have been just circling around as a trend for a while, even in the summer, especially like cohort sets and stuff like that. But currently my favorite blazer is this. And this is from Eggy Shop, Jenim's clothing line. And I actually think that this is my favorite Eggy piece that she's ever released. It's just so cool. I love the contrasting colors. Initially when I picked it out, I didn't know it would have like a gray side and a black side, whatever, but I think it looks really cool and unique. And Soothing Sister Stephanie wore it out and I was like, okay, I'm gonna wear this out the next time I, you know, shoot or something like that. But my favorite part about this blazer is that it comes with this little buckle belt situation. So it cinches you at the waist, it looks really flattering, and I think it's a universal piece for like a lot of body types for sure. And what I've actually been doing recently is taking out this belt and then just belting it over like a baggy t-shirt to give that cinched kind of effortless vibe. It's cool. It's a buckle. Like I'm wearing a seatbelt, but it's cool.
Yeah. And for my blazer, I have stripes as well. You know, stripes have been in for a bit. It's this striped blazer from ASOS.
Yeah.
I never know how to say it. ASOS. And it's like this linen fabric that I've been really liking. It has a Scandinavian feel.
Yeah.
So it's really...
Speaking of Scandinavian feel, you guys need to check out her house tour because we filmed it, we uploaded it, and this kind of matches her house, low-key.
Oh my gosh, like this could be a blanket or something.
Something like that. You gotta have a trench coat. I think you can wear like such a casual outfit underneath, and if you layer a trench coat over it, it automatically makes it like
put together.
So this is the trench coat I have. It is extremely long, and I actually got this from the Oakenfort warehouse sale, and I don't think anyone picked it out because it was just really long.
Yeah.
Like it's long for me, but I'm 5'9" on a good day, so it kind of works for me. So I'm really stoked about it. It's really nice. I love the fabric of it, and I also love how the cuffs are, there's like a split.
Ooh,
I know.
That's a nice little detail.
Yeah, right? Exactly.
Yeah.
And there's a tie. So,
cinching.
Love it. Cinching is great.
That's great.
Especially if you don't want to look too frumpy, just like put a belt. Unless you want that look, because that's also a great look.
For my trench coat, I've had this for a while and it just never gets old. It's this perfect camel color that I can wear with literally anything. And this is actually Linen Fog. So if you guys didn't know what Linen Fog is, it's a really expensive brand. We searched it up online and they run really like pretty expensive. So I'm really excited. What? I'm really excited that I found this.
And I always steal it, by the way.
Yeah, until she actually got one. Did you get one?
Nope.
No, not
Haven't
yet,
found the
not quite
perfect
yet.
color yet. I do
Yeah.
have a London fog trench coat, but this is just perfect. Also, you have hair ties. Do you guys get annoyed by that if we have like a hair tie?
Do you guys ever notice when we actually take it off halfway
'Cause I
throughout the
always-
video?
I always tell her like, Richie, you have hair ties.
I know.
Okay, anyways, moving on to our next category, we have some sweaters. I have 2 sweaters to show you guys. This is a piece that I picked up recently. This is the Kodak and Forever 21 collab.
If you haven't watched our film video, go watch it.
Oh, that was the most
Plug it
spastic,
in.
aggressive plug I've ever. So yeah, we made a how we shoot film photos video, and this is very fitting for me because I love shooting film. So yeah, this is a large men's sweater.
Wait, where did you get it? Did you say where you
Forever
got it?
21.
Oh, okay.
Kodak and Forever 21 did a collab, and I was just like, that's
So smart.
interesting.
I have 2 sweaters too. So this one is a turtleneck sweater that I just cropped because I'm so into the crop. This one's a little too short, but anyways.
You gonna stand up?
Just look how short I cut the back. You know, but it's still,
That waist though is snatched.
I don't know, I've just been seeing a lot of like cropped t-shirts, cropped anything, and it just makes you look like
Snatched.
okay, yeah, whatever. I'm pretty tired of this turtleneck, tucking it in and stuff, so I'm like, okay, why not cut it?
Yeah, make it new. So and then my next sweater, I just got this like last week. So I thrifted this at the YouTube Music Festival in Vancouver. It was really weird that they had like a thrift store kind of
Like a booth.
But it was my favorite thrift store in Vancouver, which is Community Thrift and Vintage. But anyways, I picked out this Carhartt,
Nice.
really, really big. What size is this? 2XL.
Wow.
I love oversized sweaters.
Are you cropping that or
No.
Okay.
Because I just wanted just to like
To be engulfed.
It's so large. I can actually wear this off the shoulder.
No.
Yeah. Or like just
Just a little bit more slouch. For my other sweater, I know you're gonna like this. So it's a long sleeve polo shirt that I cropped as well. Which
that is
like,
so on trend. Where did you find that? Oh.
I thrifted it.
Yeah. You went thrifting
That's a
yesterday.
good thing about thrifting. You can just cut your shirts and you won't feel bad about it. Yeah, I found this perfect size.
good. I want one
and
now.
you can rock it with like everything.
It's a large men.
It's a large, yeah.
So our next fall essential fall piece is so on trend right now. Incredibly on trend, but it's my favorite thing to wear ever because it's so cozy. We got our Sherpa Coats. This is one of probably 4 Sherpa stuff that I own, which is a little sad, but I wear them all, especially when I'm transiting to school or to work at a cafe. They're just so, like, you feel like a teddy bear when
Yeah.
you wear it. So this is from Oakenfort. Also extremely long as my black trench coat. Cozy teddy bear coats are definitely in.
Sherpa hoodies have been the trend right now. You can find it at Uniqlo, you can find it at Walmart.
That's where
Walmart.
she found these guys.
I found it and I was like, wow, they actually sell this. They actually have like a teal and like a pink. And I was like, yeah, thank goodness they
Is
have
it
like,
George?
It's George.
Okay.
Mr. George's doing really well with designs and stuff. But it's really good. I love it because it has a hood especially. You can really feel like you're a teddy bear. Like, you literally feel so warm.
Next, I have beanies, and I honestly didn't think that this would be a fall essential because I always thought that I didn't look good in
She
beanies.
didn't like beanies before.
I would never. The only time I wore beanies was when I was 17. Remember that phase where
Yeah.
I would like my ugliest outfit that I've ever worn ever was to Richie's birthday when
You
she
put a
turned
picture.
No, okay, fine. Here, yeah. We did like a video where we reacted to our old Facebook photos. Honestly, not the most fire outfit ever, but that was the last time I wore a beanie.
I think the reason why you didn't like that was because of that outfit.
Probably.
You're like,
I just didn't think it looked good on with my head. My head's kind of large. I don't know. Anyways, so I went to the Herschel offices because I have a friend that works there, and he gave me this beanie, and I was like, okay, it's cute. I like it. I put it on and was obsessed.
she's
I
been wearing
shouldn't
it
have
every
put
day.
it on because now my hair is gonna get frizzy.
Oh.
It's
well,
okay.
You should just keep it on.
No,
Okay.
I want to take it off.
Okay.
It's hot in here. Anyway, so yeah, I really like this beanie. This is from Herschel. And
Wow,
then-
you got a blue one. Nice.
Yeah, I went on Amazon and I found this blue one from Neff.
Oh, Neff. Yeah. They sell it at, where do they sell it at?
Zoomies?
Yeah. Skater shops.
skater shop. So I've got a blue one. And then if you guys haven't seen, can you help me? If you guys haven't seen our Closet Steal video featuring Nina and Dayon's Day Off, what did I say? Day on. Check it out. That's actually one of our favorite videos I've ever filmed because it was just so like
inspiring
fun.
and inspiring. Their
their style is dope. Anyway, so Dayon styled me in a beanie. He styled me in an orange one. So I was on the hunt after immediately wanted to find an orange beanie. So I stole this from Richie's boyfriend, aka my cousin Kyle, because I was talking to Kyle about it, and then he's like, "Oh, I have 2 orange beanies. Do you want one?"
Aww,
so
how sweet.
yeah, my cousin actually gave this to me. I really like it. Why did I put it on again? I just fixed my hair. It's okay. I like it. Actually looks good with this fit, right?
Yeah, it does. Yeah, pink and orange.
Does it look good like right now? Like,
yeah.
Maybe I will leave this on because this is a little bit more like lightweight. No, it's kind of hot. I can't do it. I can't do it.
My
Fix
God.
it again.
You're so weird. Yeah, toques are cool, but I won't talk about toques because
Toques, that's so Canadian.
Toques.
Toques.
Okay, so I'm gonna be talking about pants. So I went thrifting yesterday, and it just my head. I can't talk. I'm so excited.
This is what milk tea does to us.
I'm so
apparently.
excited about these pants, and you guys would probably be like, "What the heck, Rich?" But yeah, these sweats. It's like the
So
perfect high-waisted sweats, like literally sweats, and I feel like I wore these as like something to go to sleep, but never really thought to wear it as a fashion piece. I really like this, especially because it has like, it's like a straight leg instead of a cinch. I'm not a big fan of cinches on my pants, but I'm really excited to rock these with like leather boots. You know, juxtapose a little bit. Yeah,
I get it. I think 100% the #1 fall shoe that you guys need or I wear in the fall are, what are they called again? Combat boots. I was just like going off saying that this is the #1 thing. I totally forgot the name. Yeah, combat boots. So these are from ASOS and they're so sick. I have been wearing these a ton and they're so comfortable. I genuinely want to try and invest in a pair of Doc Martens in the future, but the thing with Docs is that it takes a really long time to break in.
Yeah.
You don't have to break these in. Like, they're pretty darn comfortable as is. I like wearing this with cargo pants or even like dress pants, to be honest.
Yeah.
Or any pants. And then, you know, just imagine yourself frolicking around the pumpkin patch or, you know, going on a walk, stepping on fall leaves.
Totally, yeah, it's
right?
definitely the fall vibe.
The last essential we have, well...
Is it the last? Because I have 2 more.
What? I think we actually have 11 fall essentials.
Are you sure? I thought we went over this.
I don't know if we did the math right, but... Anyways,
You get it.
Richie has 2 more essentials, so she's gonna continue. I'm gonna be drinking her milk tea.
Thanks. That's like your 3rd cup.
I finished mine.
Vests. So 2 different types of vests. I have this bomber-esque vest, or like puffery vest, but it's really thin, so it doesn't heat you up too much if you don't want to. So I would wear this with like a sweater, or even with what I'm wearing right now. Or you can opt for a leather jacket vest.
Where'd you get the other one?
A leather. So that vest is from Superstore, Joe.
Oh, and
Joe
then
Fresh.
Cool. Yeah.
And this one is from
Zara?
remember. Zara, yeah. Men's section. So it's really oversized. It's not your regular like cropped vest. It's actually like oversized, which I really like. For accessories, I have this bag and the tag is still on it. Let me take that out.
Is that an essential? You haven't been wearing that.
I know, but it's great. Perfect because you can use it as a belt or you can cinch it around your waist, which is what she was talking about. I wasn't a big fan of cinching things around my waist, but I feel like I'm getting into that. So this is a perfect bag. You can adjust the straps as tight as you want because there's no holes or anything. This is like the alligator skin. Is it?
Faux.
Am I right? Faux leather. Imitation leather. And yeah, it's just, I feel like you can just put your phone, your cards.
Do I have one? No, I don't. Oh, that's so cool.
This is from Oh Hey Girl store.
Yeah. Well, that wraps up our fall essentials video.
Cheers.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some inspiration from the 10 essentials that we featured. Let us know what your fall plans are.
I didn't know what to say after that. When you spit on my face, things. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platforms
At Cassie Masenkai
at RichiePumintuan.
and at We Are ToThe9s.
Don't forget to hashtag WeAreToThe9s to be featured.
And don't forget to watch our previous videos because we worked hard on them.
Thank you.
Thank you. That is it. That's a little PSA.
Bye.
Bye. No, we're not ending it
Okay.
like that. We'll see you guys in our next
I
one.
feel like a 10 with a 10 spot.
Anyways, we'll see you guys in our next one. Bye. Getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes.
Found my concealer.
How long have you lost that for?
Literally how we were talking.
Add lip balm and mascara.
To buy all these things. I taught my mom that song when I was younger.
No. That doesn't even make sense.